it was floating above at about 1.1, 1.2 volts, and my green light was flickering a little bit. So what that is telling me, ladies and gents, is... Hi everyone, this is Michael Eilbracht with Diesel Training, and today in this video, this tech tip video, we're going to be doing a test of the ground driver circuit on the exhaust brake solenoid on this 2012 International. Please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to this video, okay? So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started with the test. So in order to do this test with the Power Probe 3, I'm going to have to use a scan tool to turn on the ground driver circuit for this solenoid. Okay, and what we're going to be using today is our Diesel Tablet 2. So I'm already into the screen to do the test. So the first thing I have to do is I've got to go into here, I've got to select the input, and I'm going to max out the control to 95%. And then as soon as I hit OK, what you're going to see on the Power Probe 3 is where I'm tied in, I'm back probed into the ground circuit for that solenoid. Well, right now, if you notice on the Power Probe 3, the voltage on there says I'm at 12.2 volts, okay? And that's on the ground. And the reason why I've got voltage on the ground is because the ground driver circuit is not closed, okay? So as soon as I hit OK, the ECM is going to ground that circuit, and then we can test the ground driver circuit. If everything's okay with that ground driver circuit, we're going to see a green light, and then if I have the beeper on, then it should beep. Okay, I turned the beeper off because I want you to be able to hear me when I talk, okay? So, but anyway, as soon as I hit that test, it should go low voltage. I should get a green light on the tool, and then that proves that the ground driver circuit is good. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the test and see what we get. So I'm going to turn it on, hit OK. And as we can see, it looks like that I have an issue with that ground circuit. If you notice, when I did the test, my voltage didn't go all the way down to 0 volts. It was floating above at about 1.1, 1.2 volts, and my green light was flickering a little bit. So what that is telling me, ladies and gents, is that I have some resistance in this ground circuit. Now, I'm right at the connector that goes to that exhaust brake solenoid, okay? And there's a little bit of harness, okay, that goes all the way around, then goes to the ECM, all right? So in order to verify if I have a wiring problem or a computer problem, the next step that I would do is I would just go all the way around over here. Okay, and I would go find the wire that goes to the ECM, okay, and then I would do the same test and then check there again. And then if my voltage then drops below that 1 volt, let's say it goes down to like 2/10, 3/10 of a volt, very low voltage, and then I get the green light on the Power Probe 3, then that proves that at the driver I'm good, the driver's good, there's nothing wrong with it, and our issue is we have a resistance or a connection problem in that harness that is giving us the problem. So to fix that issue, the best thing that you should do in this scenario is run a professional overlay harness along the harness, reconnect everything, and then your issue will be resolved, okay? So that's how you do a ground driver test with your Power Probe 3, but please make sure that you keep everything connected when you're doing this test, because in order to see a voltage drop in the circuit, everything has to stay connected and you have to tie into that circuit. Okay, so that's it for today's tech tip video. Please to make sure that you like, comment, or subscribe to this video, and I hope everyone has a good day.